to stay in the game longer to find out what he's over. I may lose my seat at the table if I don't come up with 6 weeks worth of private flight records. You could try the FAA, the DEA. I was thinking the Coast Guard. The Navy's little sister. That's a good choice. How you gonna get in? Oh.
What are you two doing? Okay, one celoso, two celoso.
But you know, the thing about buddies is that they're your buddies. You can't make them unwitting accomplices to a felony. You have an alternative with a lower risk of somebody.
And this is because of me.
All right, brother, I'll do it, but I'm getting an itchy feeling. You sure that's from a moral balloon? Oh, that's not nice.
Come on, boy. Come here. Take it, take it, take it. Will you take the stupid squirrel? Here.
It's so big, you can hardly run away from it.
Look at her under there.
Well, that was before you faked your own death and came back without soul. Ouch. A little harsh, huh?
Oh, Tweety, did you give up?
You know, last time we said goodbye, I was staring at you through a microscope. What made you think I ever wanted to see you again? Come on, now don't be like that.
Do, 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 do.
Kill you. He was. I saved your life. All right, talk.
You two are no fun anymore.